Good morning, everybody. I am waking up here in my youth hostel here in London. This place is a lot of fun, very much a party kind of place. I'm gonna go to the Borough Market today. I've met somebody from Brazil that I think wants to join me, and this should be fun. Oh, the weather's quite lovely today. So we need platform 1 or 3. Yes, yes. Oh, here it comes. Alright, so we just switched lines at Kennington Station, and we'll take this one to London Bridge. I think we just found it. Oh, this looks cool. This is a pretty cool tunnel that you get to walk through. Oh, what do you think, Valeria? This looking pretty cool?
Cool.
Yeah. I've seen this on YouTube videos, but I've never actually been to the Borough Market before. I was wondering just what they have to eat. Oh, what are these? Is this part of a date?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is very rich in nutrients and the best one.
So this one's different?
Yes.
Wow, it's very sugary.
Yeah, but these are healthy sugar.
So how much would you charge for these?
One bag is like that. One bag will be for 20 pounds.
That would be 20 pounds?
Yeah. Two bag will be for 30.
2 bags for 30 pounds.
Yeah. Try this one. It is very low in sugar. Very good for diabetic patients or the person who is time conscious and very nutritious one.
It's good. I don't know. I'll think about it. Let's see, 1 bag for 20 pounds. That sounds a little bit expensive to me, but maybe. But yeah, thank you so much. You don't like the dates? Not really a big date woman, I see. Oh, here they've got some handmade fudge. Let me try this. Here they've got mushroom risotto. Looks like here they're selling donuts. Ooh, nice. So for £3.50, I got a cinnamon bun. All right, let me give this bun a try. Oh, wow.
Yes.
So good, so rich. I think over here they have a duck confit. Excuse me. The duck confit, is it like a sandwich? Or?
Yeah, it's a sandwich.
And then it's like, is it chopped up duck? Or?
Yeah, we've got, there's an example at the front just there if you want to have a look. It's like duck confit is like, it's been preserved in its fat and then so it looks like this.
Oh, it looks very good.
So we do sandwich, salad, and wrap.
And that's how big it is?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks a little small. So it's $11.50 for that one? Okay, I'll try it.
Yeah, the sandwich.
So look at that, they're cooking up some duck and they're gonna put it on a bun. I think they've got the chopped up duck and they add salad to it. All right, let's try this amazing duck confit. See if I can get it together. That's so good, I like the duck. You have to be careful because it feels like the bread's a little soggy, so it can fall apart. So now I think I'm gonna go to one of the biggest attractions in London, London Bridge. So here's the famous Tower Bridge in London. You get a pretty nice view from here. So we'll now check out the British Museum. So Euston Station is the one that we get off at, and here's where we'll find the British Museum. I think this is the entrance to the British Museum. Oh, thank you. So it looks like this is the Africa section. I think they have some Africa influence in Brazil. Yeah. Wow.
Não, para queda.
Alright, so the museum was pretty fun. I think maybe now we're going to find a little something to eat. It's a little bit after 4 p.m. I got up somewhat early today, maybe eat and then go back to the hostel. I think there's going to be some partying there tonight, so hopefully I'll be there for it. I'm ready to have some fish and chips. Yes, this is the haddock?
This is cod.
Okay, why don't you switch?
You drive over there, so you want to go to Westminster Avenue.
This is your haddock. This is cod. Yeah, and this is your Diet Coke cheese.
Perfect. So we've got fish and chips. We've got a haddock and a cod that she's got. And then, of course, the fries. The fries any good? Okay. I gotta say, fish and chips, not bad. I don't know if it was the best one I ever had. It was expensive. It was like 22 pounds. But that was one of the best rated places that I went to for the fish and chips. Now I'm gonna go back to the hostel. Alright, so this is Tottenham Court Road Station, and this gets you on the Northern Line, so we'll take this back to the hostel.
Everyone has an ID.
I don't